In today's video, I will walk you through how to find the best crypto exchanges on CoinGecko. Once you're on the CoinGecko homepage, head straight to the Exchanges tab. If you're diving into crypto, picking the right exchange is the most important decision you'll make. But with hundreds of platforms out there, how do you know which one is safe and reliable? Today, we're looking at CoinGecko. While you can't trade directly on their site, it is the industry gold standard for data. It tracks over 700 exchanges, giving you the objective, unbiased data you need to compare them effectively. Let's break down how to use it to find the best fit for your strategy. Here, you'll see a list of both centralized (CX) and decentralized (DEX) exchanges. When you're browsing this list, keep an eye on two vital metrics. Trust score. This is CoinGecko's proprietary rating. It's based on a combination of web traffic, liquidity, and cybersecurity technical data. Always aim for exchanges with a high trust score. It's your first line of defense against shady platforms. 24-hour trading volume. High volume usually means high liquidity. This is crucial because it ensures you can buy or sell your assets quickly without experiencing massive price slippage. Don't just stop at the ranking list. Click on an exchange's name to pull up their individual profile page. This is where you do your deep dive. Check the Markets tab. See if they actually support the specific coins you're looking to trade. Look for transparency. Scroll through the details. CoinGecko lists where the exchange is based and when it was established. A longer track record in the industry is generally a good sign. Fees and features. Look for links to their official website and social channels. Always verify you are on the official domain to avoid phishing sites. If you're hunting for a specific coin, go to that coin's page on CoinGecko, click the Markets tab, and see which top-ranked exchanges are already offering the best liquidity for that specific asset. To wrap up, prioritize high trust scores, look for consistent 24-hour volume, and always cross-reference the exchange's URL with the one listed on CoinGecko to keep your funds safe. That's how to find the best crypto exchanges on CoinGecko.